Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to change default browsers. So just right click on your start button and then click on settings. Then on the left panel just click on apps. Then on the right side click on the second option, that is default app. Alright. Now we have all the applications which are set default for some specific task, and let's scroll to Google Chrome. And you can see that the .html and .htm, which are the file types for web pages, the Microsoft Edge is set as the default browser. So I'll just try to change it to Google Chrome. So for that, you can see in the top we have one option, make Google Chrome your default browser, and then just click on set default. And then you can see that the changes have taken place, and now the default application or the default program for .html and .htm files are Google Chrome. In the same way, if you want to change it to Microsoft Edge or any other browser, just browse through all the applications that you have. Let's say I want to make the Microsoft Edge as the default browser. So I'll just open this up. And on the top we have this option, set default. Just click on it and you can see we have set Microsoft Edge as the default application for .htm and .html files, so which in effect makes the Microsoft Edge as the default browser for our computer. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.